Today I'm going to show you a special trick that you can use to find clients who are ready to pay, and not just 10 or 20 but thousands and thousands of potential customers that you can use to make money over and over again by using this very simple copy and paste trick. I am going to show you each and everything. What are we going to sell to them? How are we going to sell to them? The exact script that I use to make money. Each and everything will be provided in this video. So just watch the full video and we are starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and want to start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Follow me on Instagram as well. Ask me questions over there. I post a lot of useful content that you can use as a beginner. So follow me on Instagram. A link can be found in the description box. Now, I have said this in many of my videos. The best customers we can target are small businesses because they have money to spend and they want to grow. Plus a lot of things can be sold to those people. So that is what we are going to do. We are not going to target the very successful businesses that have all their software set up, their supplier set up, everything. And we are also not going to target dead businesses who don't have any money, who don't want to grow and all of those. We are going to target the middle businesses that have money and they want to grow to another level. That is the best kind of customer that you can have, and you won't even believe how many things we can sell to them. There are different softwares, different services, writing, designing, website creation, this, that, a lot of things. So you don't worry. You don't need any skills. You don't need any software. I'm going to show you a special trick that will help you to find all of these potential customers, all of these businesses. I'm going to provide you the exact script that you can use to copy and paste that is working for me. And I'm going to show that what are we going to sell, how are we going to sell, and all of these good things. So just watch the full video because this will be a value-packed video. Now, without wasting any time, jumping straight into the video, the first website that you need to come to find the information of all of these potential customers, you need to come to this website that is called myip.ms. Just click over here. After that, what you need to do is you need to write what I am writing over here. Just copy this and just paste this exact number. 23.227.38.32. This is the exact number that you need to copy paste. Just search it over here, and what will happen is a Shopify website IP address will come over here. If you don't know what Shopify is basically a web hosting service where many businesses host their website. So this is a website that is hosted on Shopify. So all you need to do is click over here on other sites on this IP. And what this will do is it is such an incredible tool. As you can see that all of these different websites have come over here that are hosted on Shopify. And 99% of the websites that are on Shopify are business websites. So as you can see that how many total searches are there, over 300,000. 3 lakh websites are there that you can target. This is the best part about this website, that it gives you so much information for free that you can use it very easily. Now, as I said that we are going to target medium companies, not very big companies, because you can see over here all of these companies that are coming on the first page. These are huge companies that have their software set up, their supplier set up, everything is set up for them. So we won't be able to add any value to them. So these are not the companies that we want to target. And if you go over here, just click over here on view all records, and the whole list of all of these websites will come over here. So if I just scroll down below, you can see all of these are very big websites, and there are over 6,000 pages. Now, if I just go to the 2,000 page or the 6,000 page, many small companies will come that are nearly dead, that don't want to grow, that don't have money. So that is not the customers we want. We need to go either to the 5th page or the 10th page or the 20th page. Just stay within that limit, and all of these are your potential customers. All of these are people who have a good business, who want to grow, and you are going to provide different services in order to help them. What will that be? All of these things will be told to you. Now, what we need to do from over here is that we first need to get all of these people's contact information so that then we can contact them, then we can approach them. For that, it is super simple. Just click over here on this box that is coming over here. If I just take this website as an example, you can see that this is a good website that has a set business. There are two things that we need to check. First, if they are active, because many times you will find that if you just click over here on the website, many times the website will be down or the website will not be there. So obviously those are not the people that we want to target. And the second thing that we need to take is the contact information. So all the different websites will have a contact us section. They will have some kind of an email address or some kind of a Facebook page from where you can get the email address or some other thing. So you can see over here that they have their Facebook over here. If I just click over here on their Facebook, you can go to their Facebook and from there you can get their email address. Like if I just scroll down below, you can see that this is their email address. So just copy this email address and just collect it somewhere. What you can do is just come to Google Docs, click over here on Google Docs, then open a new Google Docs and just open a blank sheet and just one by one, just paste the email address of all of these companies. So if I just go back over here again, let's say I go to this particular website. If I just scroll down below, you will see that they will have a contact us section or some other kind of way of contacting them. If I just close this, you can see over here, contact. Click over here on the contact us and you can see that this is their email address. So just copy this and just paste it on your document. So this way you can either go to their Facebook or Instagram or their website, some or the other place, they will have their email address. So this is how you can just collect the email address of as many businesses as you want. The more, the better, obviously. Now talking about what you need to write to them, how you need to approach them, I have made your life easy. I've already prepared a very high converting script that you can copy and paste. If you want this script, all you need to do is just like, subscribe and just comment down below, I want the script. And if I get enough comments, I will leave a link of this in the description box below. Now what you need to do is, as you can see, this is a script that you are going to email them. For the subject, I have given you some options. I like your website. I just saw your website. Your business is amazing. Can I make some suggestions? And these things are good. Now for the content, for the body of the email, what you need to do is, hi, I just landed on your fitness Shopify store. So we already know that they have a Shopify store and whatever is their niche, you're just going to mention that niche over here. How would you like to scale your business to new heights and find high paying customers? So this is the main key line. I had a chance of evaluating your website and want to offer some feedback and some interesting suggestions to grow your business. Now this is the basic script that you need to write. Now after that, I will give you some options. As I said, there are n number of things that you can sell to any business. There are different website services, logo services, designing services, web hosting softwares, CRM softwares, email marketing softwares, this software, that software. There is a lot of content that you can sell to a business. Now I'm going to give you some options. The first of them is, what you can do is you can sell designing services. Now don't worry, you don't need any skill. You don't have to create anything. I'm going to show you how you can do everything, just copy and pasting. So you don't have to worry about anything, but just concentrate over here. The first skill, the first service that you can sell is your aesthetics and graphics could use a bit of work. I happen to be a professional designer with 5 years of experience. Some of my previous work is attached below. This is the first thing that you can sell. Designing services, website development or logo development. As I said, you don't need any skill. I'm going to show how you can get all of this without any issues. The second thing that you can sell is, no one likes a laggy website. To get faster sites to scale your business, here we can become an affiliate of web hosting services, and we can promote different web hosting services like Bluehost or SiteGround, or there are many web hosting services that you can choose from. Or the third option is that customer relationships are very important to grow any business. So there are plenty of CRM softwares. If you don't know what CRM is basically customer relationship management. So email marketing, sending text messages, and all of these things related to customer management. So this is also a very, very important software that many businesses use. And there are a lot more things that you can sell as well. But these three are the ones that are working very, very well. Now, don't sell all of these services because it will look very, very scammy. What you need to do is choose any one of them. Try one service with 10 websites, and just see which service is working better for you, and then you can stick with that service and keep on promoting that service. Now, if you're interested in getting this script, just let me know in the comment box. Now, talking about how you're going to get all of this work done. So starting from the top, let's take the first service that we are going to sell, that is designing services. For that, all you need to do is you just need to come to different freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Fiverr.com, and if I just search over here logo design, you will see that there are so many people who are selling logo designing services for $25, $20, $35, and all you need to do is you need to charge your customers maybe $50 or $100 or $200, and then find people who will do the same task for a lot cheaper, and then you can make the difference, whatever is the difference. In order to get some examples to show your customers, just click over here on any one of these people. Just right click on this photo and just save this photo. Just download this photo, just scroll right and just download this photo as well. And these are the photos that you can send to your customers in that email to show some of your previous work in order to get that order. Talking about the second thing, that is hosting services. You need to become an affiliate for 2 to 3 hosting services, and you can provide them different options. So what you can do is, I have just searched over here for best hosting providers. If you scroll down below, you will see that there are many articles that have a whole list of 10, 20 hosting providers. So what you can do is, all the hosting providers have an affiliate program, have an affiliate system. So Bluehost is one of them, HostGator, Hostlinger, then SiteGround. There are many hosting websites. For example, I've just searched for Bluehost affiliate. You can do the same thing, like it is already coming over here. SiteGround affiliate, HostGator affiliate, Hostlinger affiliate, GoDaddy affiliate. So you can just search for different hosting providers affiliate program. Click over here. They will ask for a few details. Some of these websites ask for a website link. Some of these websites don't. So you can just try to create an affiliate account on 10, 20 different websites. Whichever website accepts you, you can just start promoting that particular website over here in your email. Talking about the third thing, that is customer relation softwares. You can do the same thing. Just come over here, search over here for CRM softwares. You will find plenty of articles about the best CRM softwares. If I just click over here, you can find there are many CRM softwares. Try to join their affiliate program, submit your application on 10, 20 different websites, and whichever website accepts you, you can just start promoting that particular website over here. So it is a super simple, very easy cut, copy and to the point method. Along with this, if you want to learn how I make big affiliate commissions on a daily basis, I provide one-on-one video call trainings to my students, and my students are crushing it and they are making money within the first week as well, using my special free methods. All the student proof, everything will be provided to you. If you want to be personally trained by me, you can contact me on my Instagram. A link to that can be found in the description box below. If you like this video and want to learn my 4-step golden trick of getting unlimited free traffic, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now, because in that video I have explained all the steps, all the proofs, everything of getting unlimited free traffic.